All right, time for some Thursday birthdays across the area. We begin in McCune with Jazz Stewart celebrating birthday number 8. Says, love you, sweet girl, from your family. Happy birthday, Jazz.
And I've got Cody Barton celebrating Sweet 16 in Fredonia, Kansas.
And Wyatt Westhoff in St. Paul celebrating birthday number 40. Happy birthday, Wyatt.
And we've got Marva Holt turning 80 years old this year. Looking great there, Marva. Celebrating the big 80 in Columbus.
And John and Debbie McClendon celebrating their 54th year of wedded bliss in Granby. A very happy anniversary, to the McClendons.
All right, and David Yoke in Carterville, Missouri. Happy birthday to you.
And Preston and Sawyer Godsey are twins, both celebrating birthday number 7 today. It says, love you both forever and always love your family. And I understand we have one more on this list here.
In light of Chef Anthony in studio today, the Culinary Dragons would like to wish Miss Caroline Sharbut a sweet 16 today as well. And speaking of Chef Anthony, his clock is ticking. He's down to 11 minutes until he comes back on air with his mystery dish.
All right, well, let's make sure we have more birthdays and anniversaries to celebrate. Tanya, how do they do that?
All you have to do is send your birthdays to this email at birthdayswithan@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, checking out all the cool stuff, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do, and you get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM, so make sure you take time and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.